Hello guys, welcome back to another DC circuit analysis problem, but this time we will solve a problem by using Thevenin equivalent circuit. So for example, you are given this circuit and you are asked to find voltage across AB or the voltage across this 6 ohm resistor, but this time you will use Thevenin equivalent circuit. So for Thevenin equivalent circuits, we need to find RThevenin. To find the RThevenin, just open the current sources and short the voltage sources. That is what I did in this figure. So I open the current source and short this 3 volt voltage source. So now I will find the Thevenin resistance or equivalent resistance between these 2 points, and this resistance is what that 2k and 1k are in series. So I will get R Thevenin equal to 3k ohm. Now to find the VThevenin, what I did, we will just remove this 6 kilo ohm resistor because that will act as a load. So first of all, I will apply KCL at node V1. So the 2 milliampere current is moving entering to this node, that is 2 milli, and that is V1 divided by full 3k ohm resistor. So I will find V1, and V1 will come out to be 6 volt, right? Now 6 volt is I'm getting at point V1. So I will now apply KVL to this loop. So KVL to this second loop or the right side hand sided loop, this loop. So started from this, I am getting, yeah, here is minus and here is plus because this V1 is with the reference of this ground. So I will start with the minus into plus, that is minus 6 because I'm moving from minus to 6, minus to plus, and here is also it's minus to plus, it will minus 3, and the V open circuit I will get at these points. So solve this, or you will get V open circuit or V Thevenin voltage, that would be equal to 9 volt. Now the final point is I get my Thevenin resistance, Thevenin voltage, and this is my what load resistor across which I need to find Thevenin equivalent, Thevenin across which I want to find voltage across these A2 point A and point B. So just apply voltage divider rule. The voltage divider rule says that the voltage across resistor R is getting by dividing that resistor by the equivalent circuits. That is my 9 kilo ohm resistor, 9 volt source, 6 kilo ohm is this resistor across which I want to find the voltage, and this is the equivalent voltage. That is what I get, 6 kilo ohm. Thank you so much.